Hi guys, welcome to Wilmington Decks Docks. I'm Ryan Grooms, the branch manager. Come inside and take a look. Welcome to the showroom. Here you have everything from composite decking, composite railing, aluminum railing, stainless steel railing. We have all the mock-ups that you want to see with hardwood tops and all the different connectors. We sell all the pieces to make your deck look beautiful. We also carry underdecking systems from rain escape, zip up, and TimberTech. We have all the plugs for all your deck for your hidden fastener needs, all up here, starboard. Over here you can see all the Rail Easy kits that we carry, all the different railings. Just some things for you to reference and see. If you want to build it yourself, it's a great way to do it. We also carry seawall, and this is a really great mock-up in our showroom that our contractors really love seeing. You can see all the panels, see how the caps go on, all the different hardware and pieces. We also carry large assortment hardwoods, ipe, garapa, kumaru. Get all that stuff for you. We get it shipped in. Stuff looks beautiful when it's down on your deck. We also carry through-flow decking. Through-flow decking is something that we love to do on fixed piers and floating docks. Lets water run right through it. It's a very solid piece. Here in the showroom at Wilmington, you'll see some fine staff. Everybody here to help you. Our guys are really, really great at taking care of our customers. We also have a good time here. If you step right this way and right through this door, I can show you where all the magic happens at Decks Docks. All right guys, in our first warehouse, we have a lot of hardware. We carry all the different Simpson screws, everything from composite color match for your decking, then all the hangers that you can possibly get. Over here, we have a lot of galvanized bolts, doing lags, hex, carriage, and timber bolts, okay? All different lengths and sizes. That one's pretty serious. Over here, on this end, all your different plate washers, all the different fasteners, all the different connectors to build your floating docks, your regular piers, your regular docks and decks, everything you possibly need. Quick drive screws, all the stainless steel that you can imagine. We got it all here in Wilmington. Right over here, if you follow me, you can see some stuff that's getting ready to go out to some of our really loyal customers. Heading out, heading out, heading out. We do deliveries en masse every day. 4 trucks to run them all. Try to get them as much done as we can in a single day. Follow me right this way. We go over here to our second warehouse. Second warehouse houses a lot of wear deck. Wear deck structural in white is what we carry here in Wilmington. It's used for a lot of framing for the decks. Over here we're carrying a lot of bumper rail for all the floating docks. We keep all this in stock as well. Keep it in black and white. Follow me out here. You guys can see the yard. As soon as you walk out in the yard, you'll notice these big racks of composite decking. This is all of our wear deck. We stock a ton of wear deck colors here in sizes 12, 16, and 20 foot. All these racks are dedicated to the different sizes and colors. We send out a lot. Out here in the main part of our yard, first thing you're gonna notice, a ton of seaside poles, 2.5 treated. All of our marine contractors, we got you covered. We send out everything from 12 foot 8 butts to 10 butt 35s here on the yard, but we can order you just about any size that you would need. Over here, you can see all of our dimensional lumber, regular ground contact, all number 1, all treated, all ready to go. See our guys stacking stuff up ready for the next order again. Down this way, you can see that we have a treated dimensional lumber, 4x6, 6x6, 8x8. I got them in 0.80, 2.5. I can order you any kind of special order that you need. But we got this here on the yard and ready to roll for you guys. It's kind of a big yard. It's pretty open space. We can load up many trucks at once. Looks out really good. Over here on this side, I got our stock of seawall. Seawall we stock here in Wilmington is going to be Everlast, 3.1, 4.1, and 7.1. All different lengths and sizes. You call us for quotes, we'll get it out to you as fast as we can. Anything that we need to order for you, we can always order it for you. No worries. Back here towards the back of the yard, back in the corner, is where I keep all the house piles. 8x8s, really long ones. Everything from 30 foot to 20s, 16s, and 12s. We just keep on rolling back. We'll also show you the dock floats. Dock floats we carry, B600 and C650s here on the yard, even some D470s. We try to keep a good stock of these for our main contractors, man. They like to do like 240 at a time. We have a ton in stock, always ready to go for you guys. Contractors, we can send these to your shop. You can build them out there, you can build them right on the water, either way. All right, guys, you came and saw our showroom, you saw our warehouses, you saw the stuff that I stock here in Wilmington. We're at 407 Landmark Drive. My name is Ryan Grooms. Come and ask for me. Right now, I got to check off this truck. See you guys later.